Hey guys, we just made it to Almeria. I want to show you the place we will be staying this week. So I like the place, you know. I think the dogs like it as well. Joy, what are you eating there, baby? Or...
What is that?
Okay, so let me show you. So basically, it's a very narrow street, as you can see. So we are very glad we find a parking just that direction to the left. We find a parking spot, which is great. But you can see the street we are staying, right? Cars cannot make it through the street. It's really narrow and closed for cars. Our entry is just down there. And once you get in, right, basically you will come up through these stairs right here. Let me show you. You come up through these stairs. To the left side, you get the room, which is more than enough for us. Your room, your closet there, double closet. You have this window here. That's our bathroom right there. And I think somehow I can see downstairs, but and upstairs as well, right? So basically, this is the room. This is the rest of the apartment. This is the kitchen. Tere is already completing some tasks. Good job, baby. This is the kitchen. It's messy because we just made it up. Living room. Sofa. It's not big, but for two of us and the doggies, I think it's enough. And finally, you get the bathroom. It looks really nice with washing and dryer. Washer and dryer, which is good, and the same, the same window right there. So I think it's a good location and enough for what we need. Oh yeah, that's a very important thing. The price was really cheap. We paid, how much we paid?
Was 330 euros.
1 week, right?
1 week.
So we paid 300.
Comparing with the other places, that
Yes.
was like twice the price.
We paid 330 euros for 1 week, which is really good. Other places, at least, we paid double that price, right? 500 to 600 something. So the price is still very good. And we just walked right now and we did some shopping, and we got some food and some products, and the location is really nice because you just walk a few streets and you are basically on the touristic places, right, on the downtown, I believe. So keep tuned. I think you will be seeing some videos from us here in Almeria and in the surrounding as well, okay? Thank you.